Now it's time for the Community Insider, our weekly partnership with the Los Angeles Sentinel. Correspondent Nicole Williams joining us in studio with more. Good morning, welcome.
Good morning.
Well, you all have a lot of stories that you're working on this week that we can all read about, but let's talk specifically about Yellow Pages for Black restaurants. Is that what it is?
Yes, so it's called Black Owned Food LA, and it's basically a Black owned eatery directory. And it's owned and operated by Tiffany Hinton of Hinton Enterprises. And she goes herself to all these eateries and samples the food. Talk about a great job.
I know, sign me up.
Right? And she documents these different food experiences through vlogging. And so she posted to her Instagram, it's Black Owned Food LA, and her website, blackownedfoodla.com. And she features all different types of food and different ways you can get the food, such as pop-ups, food trucks, catering, and also restaurants. And she was inspired to start food vlogging during the 2020 pandemic to help Black-owned eateries that were struggling to stay open during the time.
Wow. Okay. Well, that's great to know that you can find them so easily.
Yes.
And there was also a new site for healthcare. Is that right? Some healthcare programs?
So InnovAge held their grand opening on April 24th for their third PACE Center in California. And it happens to be in the Crenshaw neighborhood. So the center offers comprehensive care for senior citizens, such as medicine management, physical therapy. They also have access to meals and transportation. And it's free for senior citizens who are on Medicare and Medi-Cal. So that's great for them. And their president and CEO, Patrick Blair, said that the purpose of their center is to inspire senior citizens to live happier and more independent lives. And I actually had a chance to tour the center last week, so it was just great to see all of these services available in one place for senior citizens in our community.
Especially because transportation can be tough. Getting in and out of vehicles can be tough for some of them. So just to have it all right there is really a nice addition, really.
Exactly.
Yeah. Well, finally, let's talk about Wellness Weekend. I like the sounds of this.
Yeah, so Wellness Weekend 2024 is presented by Invertigo Dance Theaters. They have a program called Dancing with Parkinson's. And it's also in partnership with Crenshaw Yoga and Dance. And it's a free 2-day event for all ages to learn how to express yourself through dance, Tai Chi, yoga, and they also, talk about the importance of health and exercise. So it's going to be on Friday, May 17th and Saturday, May 18th at the Crenshaw Yoga and Dance, which is located at 426 Crenshaw Boulevard.
And so if you have Parkinson's, you're invited, but even if you don't have Parkinson's, you're invited. It's for everyone.
It's for everybody.
Okay, thanks so much. We appreciate it. And of course, for all the information on these stories and so much more, check out this week's edition of the Los Angeles Sentinel. You can scan that QR code right there on the screen for all the details.